This video is going to focus on the markings of the scapula. It's really important to understand whether you have a right scapula or a left scapula. This happens to be a right scapula. You know this because the lateral side has the glenoid fossa, this flat area right here, and the two big processes. So the scapula has an anterior surface that lays up against the ribs, and then the posterior surface is the surface that you can feel when you touch your back. So once you get yourself orientated, this is a right scapula. You can recognize the borders. So this is the lateral border. This is the inferior angle. This is the medial border. Okay. And then, of course, the spine, the spinous process is of the scapula, very prominent. Above the spinous process, right here, is the supraspinous fossa. Below that is the infraspinous fossa. And then we have the suprascapular notch right here. And then when we turn this, these two processes become a little more obvious. They look like dog ears. The bigger of the ears is called the acromion process. The smaller of the ears is called the coracoid process. And then this is the glenoid fossa. So this is the articulating surface, like I said, for the head of the humerus. So once you have all these down, you'll be ready to take your out the door test. So we're just going to do it one more time. Glenoid fossa, coronoid process, acromion process, spine of the scapula, supraspinous fossa, suprascapular notch, infraspinous fossa, medial border, inferior angle, lateral border.